Hello students, I am Abhinav and welcome to College Dekho. The TS ICET result was announced on 23rd September and the TS ICET counseling is expected to begin soon in October. In this video, we are going to cover the TS ICET counseling process in detail. Now, the TS ICET counseling is conducted by the Telangana State Council for Higher Education or TSCHE. It is a web-based counseling conducted in the online mode. The courses available in TS ICET counseling are MBA and MCA, and the number of rounds in the counseling are 3. Now, moving on to the TS ICET counseling eligibility criteria. First of all, the candidate must have the qualifying marks in the TS ICET exam, which is 25% or 50 marks out of 200 for the general or OBC category candidate, and there is no minimum mark requirement for the SC/ST category candidate. Second thing is the candidate must have qualified their bachelor's degree with 50% marks for general or OBC category and 45% for SC/ST candidate. Minority category candidates who have not qualified or appeared in TS ICET but have scored the necessary minimum marks in their bachelor's degree are also eligible to apply for the TS ICET counseling. Now, the TS ICET counseling is conducted in 4 steps. First is the payment of processing fee. Second is slot booking, third is certificate verification, and fourth is option entry. We are going to cover each of these steps in detail. Step 1 of the TS ICET counseling is the payment of processing fee. The candidate must log in on the official website, that is tsicet.nic.in, and confirm their details. Then the candidate must proceed to paying the processing fee using a debit card or a credit card. After the fee payment has been processed, an online receipt will be generated for the same, and the candidate must save this receipt for future reference. The TS ICET counseling processing fee is Rs 1200 for the general category and Rs 600 for the SC/ST category candidate. Step 2 in the TS ICET counseling is slot booking. After the processing fee has been paid, the candidate must book slot for the certificate verification round of the TS ICET counseling. The option for slot booking will only be unlocked after the processing fee has been paid by the candidate. The candidate will have to select their preferred venue and time for the document verification round. Now, the third step is to appear for the certificate verification at the chosen venue. The candidate must have the original documents as well as a photocopy of the same when appearing for the certificate verification round. The documents required for the certificate verification round of the TS ICET counseling include class 10th and 12th mark sheets and certificates, graduation mark sheet and degree certificate, the TS ICET hall ticket, the TS ICET rank card, the Aadhaar card, the caste certificate and domicile certificate as applicable. Now, the step 4 of the TS ICET counseling is exercising web options. After the certificate verification has been complete, the candidate will receive their login details on their registered mobile number. The candidate must generate the password and log in to the web counseling portal. Now, the candidate must proceed with entering their choice of college and course in the preferred order. The modification of choices will be allowed within the prescribed deadline for any round. Finally, the candidate must freeze their choices and take a printout of their choices entered for future reference. Now, based on the preference entered and the merit of the candidate, the best available seat will be allotted to them in the TS ICET counseling. The seat allotment will be provisional and subject to the candidate accepting or rejecting the allotment and participating in any further rounds of the counseling. Any candidate who accepts their allotment will be required to pay the tuition fee for the college to confirm their seat. So this was all for today's video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment box and we'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. All the best.